how to do the exam reviews. So if you guys go to this lab discussion group, if you guys go to groups, not the discussion group, if you guys go to groups, it's supposed to be giving you an ERD PVL group. You guys see it? What's your group? What group number is you?
Group 1.
Group 1?
Yeah. I see it.
So if you guys are in group 1, let's say for example, you need to communicate with all these individuals. So you all have to be communicative. And then you communicate only through the group. Here, you can send an email, and then you can add tasks to each individual. Let's say, for example, the first review had 15 questions. You divide that equally into all these group members. Make sure you have feedback from the group members, and they're able to collaborate with you. Hey guys, are you guys ready to do the review? You're supposed to be doing this since the first week. If you get a feedback, oh, let's do it. So you're going to upload the exam review on the group wiki. You're going to put the task on that says group task. I don't know. First person takes the first 5. Second person takes the next 5, and so on. So you're going to do that in the group task. On the wiki, you're going to upload the document. And then that document is going to be shared through all of you guys at the same time. Always keep a copy, just in case. But you're going to share that document, and you're going to put your answers into that wiki document. Once you put the answers, each one in the wiki document, at the end, when the document is complete and created, and again, how do you complete and create the document? Answer each review question in the following format. Does that make sense? The only thing that I have to fix here is that it says each review question, that clinical cases is per participant. Okay?
That clinical cases per participant.
So that means that each one of you have to do 2 clinical cases application for the whole review, not for each question. I got to change that. Does that make sense? So you do 5 questions, right? Out of the exam review. You answer in the way that is described. A short definition of the concept, which you have the short definitions I gave you, or a keyword that follows it. Something that remembers you. This is your review, not mine. Summary notes. So if you have images or notes that, comprise pretty much the answer for that question, an image, a chart, a table, or a video clip that you got, you can copy and paste that there. 4 real-world concepts application per group. That means in the whole group, you're going to create 4 full clinical case scenarios for the whole group, for the whole review. Okay, as a group. Okay, that's what it means. And that has to come with multiple choice questions. Once that is uploaded, when that is completed in that wiki document, what you're going to do is that you're going to upload it into the designated folder, which is upload exam review 1 folder as a group. Okay, so you upload it as a group and everybody gets the grade. If there is a participant in your group that you have contacted and they don't answer you back, on the top right hand side, it is described there on the upload group assignment. Top right hand side, you're going to list everybody in the group, even though you can upload as a group. If there's someone that you're trying to communicate, but that person does not answer and has not answered, you're communicating through what? Send emails. And you get no communication, you're going to write that there. I sent email on such day. This person did not communicate. Does that make sense? You're going to leave a little note there. That person is not going to get a grade. Is that clear? Again, try not to over stress this. If you send 3 emails and that person does not give you a feedback, does not answer the emails, that's fine. Just put that as a group. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So 3 emails is the limit. And I should put that there well as in the description. So,
Sorry, if we're trying to contact our group, we go to send email and then what, with our name?
yeah, and you send email to everybody.
Okay, and that would.
Hey guys, are you guys ready to do the review?
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
So whoever replies to you, then they're working.
Yeah.
Then you guys gonna divide. Hey guys, ready to make the review? How do you want to do the task? We divide it equal from the beginning of the group name all the way to the end. You know, really simple. The first 5 or the first 3 or the first 10 or so on. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So try to, dictate how you guys are going to divide your task equally. Please make sure to eliminate whoever does not participate. Because being in a group, it doesn't mean that your grade needs to suffer. Whoever does not work is going to suffer. So if there's going to be any discussions, if you need to talk to somebody, explain things and stuff like that, you guys are going to do it through the group discussion board. Does that make sense? If you have any further questions, you can even create your own blog if you want to. But everything, use these links. If you guys need to get collaborative to do something, you guys can go on the top that says collaborate, and that you can actually get a video stream. The reason why you're using Blackboard, because if there's anything happen and somebody's not communicative or something were to happen, the system will keep track and I can assess what happened. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's not like, oh no, I did this, oh no, but she said that he did it, but no, he said that he didn't, and now, this back and forth. That eliminates that back and forth. Okay? Does that make any sense?
No, it does.
Now, when you're answering the discussions, so this is actually creating the exam review, right?
Yeah.
Now you have to do the discussions. If you click on the lab discussions, you're going to discuss the first chapter or whatever chapter you're doing at the moment. If you look here, it says complete the exam review, designated form. Remember to effectively communicate to your group members. Upload the exam review into the designated folder. That's the folder that we talked about. It's a separate folder. Now, to complete the discussion following the instructions below. Really simple. As a whole group, what are the main 3 concepts that you guys master fastest or the easiest one? You're going to put 1, 2, 3, you're going to copy paste them on the side. Does that make sense?
Yeah. No, it makes sense.
What is you're struggling with? You're going to put the 3 that you have the hardest time, or you think that is incomplete, that you're missing something, or you guys cannot figure it out. When this takes place, hopefully, the next group needs to be interactive, right? So the next group has to interact and answer 2, since possible points 2, because you have to answer 2 of the struggling concepts from other group members, and you have to help 2 other people. Not as a group, but as an individual. This is the posting.
You answer back to people, whatever questions they ask.
Hopefully by doing so, you're answering, you got your easiest concepts and you're able to explain them, and that will be their hardest concepts. So you're getting a lot of feedback. By the time you complete, you should have completed all the little holes that you guys have on how to pair and how to link the knowledge that I give you. After that, then you should take your exam. And then I would like your feedback. If it helps or it doesn't help. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. It's not rocket science. And the way that you answer is the way that you answer the question. Hey, I had a problem with, I don't know, the constant homeostasis. Hey, check it out. This is a video. Oh, here's the slide. Remember, PowerPoint number 1, slide number 32, I found the answer there. Look for the clue, whatever clue. You get it? Or you can just copy and paste the image. Up to you, screenshot. Okay? Is there any other question that you guys have?
No, that was it.
All right, great.